welcome back to my channel. With less than 1 week until the launch of the Google Pixel 9 series, we have many hands-on videos and photo comparisons showcasing how good the smartphone is going to be. Someone has been using the Google Pixel 9 series for over a month now, showcasing it online, making videos, comparing pictures, and so on. I can tell you that the phone looks stunning. It's a very beautiful device. The flat screen is excellent. The flat display is one of my favorite features of the Google Pixel. We are also expecting new hardware with the release of Android 15. This is going to be a fantastic stock Android phone that you'll love to have. If you're a fan of Android, you should consider getting the Google Pixel 9 series because it's going to be great. Pre-ordering the phone immediately after the launch will come with many advantages. For instance, you might receive a Google Watch and other goodies. The Pixel 9 series promises to bring several exciting features, including improved camera capabilities, faster processing speeds, and a sleek design. Additionally, the integration of Android 15 means you'll experience the latest software enhancements, security updates, and new functionalities exclusive to this version. All these features combined make the Google Pixel 9 series a must-have for any tech enthusiast or Android lover. If you're thinking of upgrading your smartphone, you should consider the Google Pixel 9 series. This series offers great value for a relatively low cost, and you can receive additional items such as a smartwatch or wireless earphones as gifts. These gifts are worth hundreds of dollars, making the deal even more attractive. Pre-ordering is especially beneficial because, after the pre-order period, the price is likely to increase significantly, and the gifts will no longer be available. Therefore, if you can afford to pre-order, it's a great idea. You'll not only enjoy the benefits of the new phone, but also the added value of the gifts. Please subscribe to my channel as we continue to show you videos, hands-on experiences, and pictures being reviewed ahead of the launch day.
Nights and MSIs, questions that don't get replies. Wishing time could just disguise all the pain behind these eyes. Can't escape the past we made. Fading night turns into day. Every thought just leads astray. Questions that don't get replies. Wishing time could just disguise all the pain behind these eyes.